discussed about national symbols, about those things. But today we are going to discuss about states and union territories. How many states are there, how many union territories are there, what they and their capital cities. So today in this video we are going to discuss about this. So let's move on to the videos. In this slide we can see that we have 28 states and union territories. But going to before that, to understand this 28 states and union territories, before we don't have 28 states and union territories. Before we have 29 states and 7 union territories. I will show the video, next slide. Here we can see that state before, in this we have 29 states. In this slide we can see that there are 29, total 29 states and only 7 union territories. But what happened that made 28 states and 8 union territories? So I will see here, before, this is the map before India when it is combined as 29 states, and this is the India after 28 states when it changed to 28 states. So where it made the difference, that came that 28 states and 8 union territories. So see here, I will show the map regarding you. In this states before, we can see that there is a Jammu and Kashmir. Here there is no dividend and it is not divided as a Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. But now in this next you can see that it is divided as this, like, see here. In this map we can see that, see here, the Jammu and Kashmir is this and Ladakh is this. We can see right here, this is, it is divided as this. And so we can understand that from 29 states it's changed as 8 union territory, 28 states, right? So what made that changes to 20 from 7 union territories to 8 union territories? See here, I will show the video. So you can see here, in this we can see, I will make this clear to get you understand about this, except only union territories. See here, here we can see that Chandigarh is already a union territory, Delhi is also one of the union territory, 2, and we are come to this, 3rd Daman and Diu, 4th Dadra Nagar and Haveli, 5 Lakshadweep. Here we can see in the Chennai area, we can see here is Puducherry, so 6 in Andaman and Andaman Nicobar, 7, total we have 7 when we have 29 states. At that time we have 7 union territories. Okay, now let's move to, I will clear it, okay, and I will also clear this so you can understand in a better way. And now you can see that only 8 union territories. I will show the clear map of union territories without the states so you can understand. See here, 8 union territories. See how I will make you count. 1 Ladakh, 2 Jammu and Kashmir, 3 it's already Chandigarh, 4th Delhi. See here, Daman and Diu and Dadra Nagar and Haveli both are combined by our Indian government on 26th Jan 2020, and they both are combined and made as Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So it's totally changed to 5. Now we can see here the Lakshadweep Islands as a 6, we can count as 6, and we already had a Puducherry, so it's make as 7, and from here we can get the Andaman Nicobar, so 8. So after combining all this we have 8 union territories. Okay, so I hope you clear about these things. I will make this clear so you can understand in a better way. Okay, see here, we already counted and we understand where these all union territories are located and how we got the 28 states and 8 union territories. See, I will show the next map that which makes you clear all about this. See here, in this map we can see that, see here, these all combined as a 28 states, and in the last slide we seen that total 8 union territories we already count and we got the clear about Daman and Diu and Dadra and Haveli and also. So it's made the 8 union territories. So I hope you clear all about this. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take this screenshot. I have cleared all this. Okay. Now move to the state capital cities. We came to know all about how many union territories and how many states are there. So let's know about the first capital cities all of states. So we'll first start from the alphabetical order. Andhra Pradesh, the capital city is Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, it is Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. We all know that it is an union territory, right? It is UT. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, it's Ranchi. So I hope you understood, and I will make this clear so that you can take the screenshots of this video, this slide. So let's move to this. Here we can see that Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, it's Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. It's sorry, I made a mistake that Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, it's Chandigarh. So I'll make it clear so you can understand in a better way and take a slide. And here we can see the Rajasthan as a Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. West Bengal, Kolkata. See here. Now we can go to the UT capitals. Andaman and Nicobar, it's a Port Blair. Chandigarh itself, Chandigarh only. Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu called as Daman, its capital city. Delhi as only Delhi. Ladakh, it's Leh. Lakshadweep, Kavarati. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Puducherry as Pondicherry. So I hope you made this all clear of these capital cities, and I think you have a doubt even on the location of these, but I will make you clear about the location. I know I said already the location I shown these capital cities and union territories, but I will also once show you this, and you can understand where their capital cities are even located. See, this is the Ladakh. This whole area is known as Ladakh, and its capital city is located in this Leh. It is a Jammu, this province is called as Jammu and Kashmir, and it's Jammu. And also I want to say one note that Jammu and Kashmir is divided as a union territory after the removal of Article 370, which has a special status regard with this article. But after the removal of Article 370, it's changed as a union territory. See here, it's a Chandigarh between the Punjab and Haryana. Both capital cities are same and union territory. See, it's a Delhi, our center, and here is Daman and Diu and Nagar Haveli, both, and their capital city is here, and it's the whole island, combination of small islands changed as one island, and it's Kavaratis. Here the Puducherry, its capital is also near to that, and this whole island is known as Andaman and Nicobar, and its capital is Port Blair. So I hope you understood their locations even. I will make this clear so you can take the screenshots. So I hope you understood the today's video, and in the next video I will make you clear the chief ministers of all states and even the union territories who have the lieutenant governors and all.